In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom animations in Roblox Studio R6. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use custom animations like this one for your project on Roblox Studio. So I'm going to close down this project and I'm going to start a new one from scratch. So to make this video quicker and easier to go through, I'm going to acquire an R6 walk model from the toolbox. But of course, if you want to develop one yourself, you can go ahead. The reason why I'm not going to do it in this video is because it is supposed to be a short, quick video on how to get this done and show you the basics. I cannot show the entirety of the process of creating a custom animation just with this video alone. So go into the toolbox under models, look for something like R6 walk, make sure that you acquire a walking animation for the R6 model, and now go to Avatar Animation Editor and click on the rig that just spawned. You should see this option to migrate everything. Make sure that you migrate every single animation, or if you prefer, only the ones that you want to use. It doesn't really matter. Now, open the Animation Editor here at the bottom or somewhere on your screen, and click these three dots. Now you can load a specific animation to preview it. So, for example, this walking one. So when you press the play button, you should see the rig perform that animation. Now go ahead and publish this animation. You can name it whatever you want. So I'm just going to name this one Walk V4 ABC123. Save it. And now you will have the link that you are going to use to actually load this animation in. So once you have copied that link alongside the asset ID, the next thing to do is to change some avatar settings. So if needed, save your experience to Roblox. So I'm just going to give it a random name, assign myself as the creator, and then it's going to reload. Now on the avatar settings, you have to make sure that the body type is set accordingly. So either set it to R6 only or R15 and R16. I'm going to set it to R6 only to make this process easier. And now once you have the avatar setting good to go, load into the experience. So go ahead and choose the option to play. And now once you are inside, expand the workspace option. You will find your character in here, expand it again, and now press Ctrl C on the animate option. So click it and then copy, or you can right click and copy. Exit the experience, go into Starter Player, and then right click Starter Character Scripts and paste the animate script that you copied inside. Now if you expand animate, you will have every single animation assigned to your body type. So in this case, R6. Because I'm not only going to be teaching you how to change the walk animation, I'm going to select it here. But if you want to, you can change every single other animation available. So expand the specific animation that you want to change, click on it, and then copy the asset ID. So when you published the animation, you are given an ID, and now all that you have to do is paste it here. So click on the specific animation, change the animation ID, and to finish this off, double click on animate and find the same animation and assign it here. So again, if you have multiple animations that you are going to be changing, change all of their IDs through this menu. With all of this done, you should be able to load into the experience and see the new animation in place. So you can clearly notice that the new animation has taken form on my R6 body. So you will be able to do this with any animation models that you find on the workshop, or if you develop and publish your own one. With all of that said, before I end this video, I want to highlight something. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the highest quality videos and solutions related to Roblox Studio or any other subject. So I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.